With the market up today and all of my positions out of the money, I've decided to close out all of my positions and do a portfolio reset. So let's scroll over here and see how much it's going to cost me to do this. Closing out my two SPY positions is going to cost about $56, and closing out IWM may cost me about $110. But this seems like a great plan so that I can get back to a diversified portfolio with 4 different positions open and some free cash available for future trade repairs. So today is January 15th, and you may recall that on Monday, January 13th, I made a $300 cash deposit to this account to provide a little cushion in case I needed to do more trade repairs. At the time, the net liquidating value of the account was $2,122. And you can see I made a note that the cash that I had contributed to the account was $1,800.50, and there was almost $3,000 cash in the account with 2 positions in the money and everything in repair mode. So if you recall, I've been trading in this account 4 different ETFs, GLD, IWM, QQQ, and SPY. Over the past couple of weeks, the market has pulled back enough that I have needed to expand and repair my SPY and IWM positions, and I had to close out the gold and the QQQ in order to do that. So my portfolio is just not where I want it to be right now. I like to have 4 different ETFs and multiple expiration dates and small spreads. So right now I have almost $3,000 in cash available, but it's all tied up in these 2 ETFs. By closing these out and taking everything back to cash, I can start over and just do a solid reset and get this account back the way I like it to be. All right, so there it is. All of my bull put spreads are closed, and I have $2,816.14 in cash available. I'm still in great shape here. The account is still worth $1,000 more than the cash that I've invested in it. So waiting a couple of days for some share prices to recover has really helped this account considerably, and I've taken all the risk off the table, and I'm going to reset and start setting up some more bull put spreads all out of the money, starting probably tomorrow on Thursday, January 16th.